Introducing the futuristic 2025 Volvo X30 SIN MTR EXT RNG RWD Ultra, 5-door in sleek black. This electric beauty is not just captivating on the outside, but also packed with top-notch features for your comfort and safety. From air conditioning to wireless charging, from collision avoidance braking to privacy glass, this vehicle has it all. Rest assured, this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, services to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Drive with confidence, knowing you have all the latest safety features at your fingertips. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can be the proud owner of this cutting-edge vehicle. Be the envy of the road in the 2025 Volvo X30 SIN MTR EXT RNG RWD Ultra 5-door.